Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. I haven't seen any of these bags yet. I just got these 3 giant bags of like clothing for free. Who the hell's calling me? From these random people that were trying to drop them off at a thrift store, but the thrift store didn't accept clothing, so I was like, I can take these off your hands. Let's just do a little unboxing and see if there's anything of value in here. This is my first time seeing any of this. And the reason I'm literally in my car is because I have to go into work in like 10 minutes, but I just came from these thrift stores. Oh my God, am I gonna make a total mess in here? Probably. I feel like I need to make yes, no piles. This is just gonna be first glance. Oh, something new with tags. Shut up. New with tags, LL Bean. Okay, we're off to a great start. This is gonna make everything that I did thrift and pay for today like totally worth the haul, the time I spent. This is a new with tags, just classic LL Bean. I don't even know where to put this stuff. I guess I'll just set it here. Right away, there's like a little mark, but also LL Bean. This is a little fleece. Murray's Toggery Shop in Nantucket. Something kind of fancy. It's like a fleece vest. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. These stuff is gonna pay for my haul. Tommy Hilfiger 3430. Okay, the thing is, men's clothing, whenever I source it, it usually sells pretty well. But then when I'm outsourcing, I never know what to pick up for men's clothing because there's a few brands that I know specifically do well and I never find them. But anytime I do get men's clothing like for free, it usually performs really well. So these are Tommy Hilfiger, a pair of Columbia men's shorts. I'll honestly probably see if my dad wants any of this first. Brand new flex waist Van Heusen men's slacks. We love this new with tags. These jeans are Van Heusen. I've never seen Van Heusen jeans. Okay, oh my gosh, there's a lot. Oh my gosh, this looks kind of cool. Love this vintage Tommy. Lots of Tommy in here. Vintage Tommy. Another LL Bean classic. Okay, love this. And these are medium tall. I feel like the big and tall sizes usually do well too for resale. Another Van Heusen 100% silk men's button down. New with tags something or other. New with tags Columbia Omni Shade shorts. I'm like blocking myself in here. These are slightly stained in some pieces, but LL Bean classic fit, 100% cotton. Quite the haul. It was a man and woman couple. Van Heusen jeans again. So I'm wondering if there will be any women's clothes in here. This one kind of stained, might not be worth it, but maybe I can use the fabric for doing some rework project. I'll have to do a yes and no pile later. Another LL Bean standard fit men's khaki pants. An Izod cool fix. It looks like, I don't know, like golf t-shirt, golf polo. What is this? LL Bean pants. These are more of a dark khaki color. Last thing in the first bag is Bass GH Base & Co. I don't know, a classic polo t-shirt. All right, shove all this stuff back in bag number 1. My camera might die during this haul, but we're making it happen. I don't know how to do like a switcheroo where these bags. I don't know if I'll have time. I have 15 minutes till I have to go clock in. I'm not gonna be able to open this right now. No. We'll try. We have a men's suit jacket. LL Bean tall top. Does LL Bean sell well? I feel like resale LL Bean sells well. These are Liz Claiborne stretch pants, new with tags. They're like men's slacks again, but they are brand new with tags. Love that. These are Club Room by Charter Club khaki shorts. Okay, LL Bean, another LL Bean classic polo. Another LL Bean classic polo. Pants, slacks, another LL Bean classic polo. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be selling LL Bean classic polos till the day I die. US Polo assignment. It's a polo shirt. LL Bean classic polo in color black. You guys, that's not complaints. I'm not complaining at all. New with tags Van Heusen jeans. What time is it? Oh my gosh, I have to hustle. Another new with tags Izod men's pants. Oh my gosh, I have so my work cut out for me, that is for sure. Some more new with tags, LL Bean new with tags. So these are all the same size, so I'm debating if I should lot some of these up or if I should list them all individually. Lotting them will be easier. This is a Izod cotton yellow polo. This feels high quality. Another Van Heusen men's button-up shirt. This one is Austin Reed by Regent Street. It's pretty high quality stuff, like tweed kind of. Why did I start this project right now? Wow, another LL Bean, new with tags. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I should list all these. Is another LL Bean, new with tags, polo. Van Heusen, men's slacks, pants. New with tags, LL Bean. Oh my gosh. I bet this thrift store is upset that I took all of these wonderful clothings away, but hey, they didn't accept clothing, so here I am. Nice, like, vest, sweater vest. I got my work cut out for me. I don't know this brand right away. I don't see a brand, but another pair of men's navy slacks. Spicklos Performance. I don't know, like maybe like golf shirt. It's a polo. It's kind of like mesh see-through though, so. LL Bean, standard fit men's pants. I feel like I'm just got an LL Bean sponsorship or something. You guys, this is like the gift that keeps on giving. I have to clock in like 5 seconds. These are new with tags, wrinkle-free cotton, LL Bean pants. Oh my lord. Izod golf, maybe like, what's another sport? Tennis, golf, probably golf shirt. Izod are also LL Bean. I'll probably lot a lot of these together. Will we have time for the last bag? I don't know. We have 9 minutes till I have to clock in. Perry Ellis Portfolio Sleepwear, just like a sleeping polo. That's interesting. These are a Van Heusen Studio dress pants slacks. I wonder if someone died and they were just trying to get these off their hands. LL Bean classic khaki pants. I better check all these pockets to see if I find any money. More LL Bean polos. I think that's it for this bag. Oh, there's more. Oh, this is absolutely insane. Okay, Van Heusen denim jeans. Okay, this is so funny. I am like counting down the minutes till I gotta get to go into work. I'm getting a headache all of a sudden. I need some more coffee. Okay. Looking like more LL Bean. Okay, let's see. LL Bean, nice teal. LL Bean, nice denim-ish color. Another nice color. I'm not even gonna open it. I know it's LL Bean by the texture. LL Bean, another top. This is a little different. Is this men's, women's? Ralph Lauren pillowcase. Okay, that might be able to sell for something. This is a top, women's top, question mark. Izod washable silk, 100% silk. Men's button up, more LL Bean tops. This looks like a half knitted. Guys, I got a half knitted sweater. Scarf? What do you do with something like this? Do I just cut it off and give it away? I don't know. Okay, we'll tackle that later. Men's like khaki shorts. These ones seem like they're high quality. I just got to see if they're in good condition. Never heard of this brand before, but they seem like they're good stuff. Oh my gosh, my camera's gonna die. I'm just like a hot mess express over here. More men's shorts, cargo. Columbia, like hiking. These have like a good little strappy here. Columbia men's shorts again, just in a different color. These look like chaps, whatever it's called. And it looks like a few more khaki men's shorts. This is insane. I should have been counting the pieces. Haggard brand, LL Bean, Old Navy khaki. Oh my gosh. I wonder how many pairs this family had. They must have all matched. This is Bay to Bay, same idea. Perry Ellis Portfolio. Perry Ellis I've sold before actually. Van Heusen. These ones look more like sleep shorts. These ones have some staining though. I might have to toss them. They're Trails End, made for the great outdoors. Not sure that brand. And the last thing in these bins, boxes, bags, whatever they're called. These are LL Bean again. Okay, this is insane. Let me know what you would keep, what you would throw away, what you would sell, what you would do. And I'm gonna try and shove all this stuff in a bag and get to work. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on like the listing and storage and everything of this because this is absolutely insane. Thank you for joining, and you'll subscribe to see how much money I make from this absolutely free inventory haul. So upon further investigation, I don't know if you can even see all my piles. Yeah, kind of. A decent amount of like the LL Bean pants are stained. Like I have a no pile sitting over there. The pants, all of these, this whole chair right here is my stack of yes, keep to sell LL Bean tops. I have tossed a couple of them in the no pile because of some staining. It's just, I feel so bad just dropping this stuff back off at a thrift store or something. So I'm wondering if I can use the fabrics as like practice for I have a sewing machine and I've been playing around with it, trying to like, just learn how to use it and, make some accessories and stuff. So maybe I will just keep a couple of those and use them as practice fabrics, since some of them are like stained to where like people probably wouldn't buy it. But yeah, I'm trying to decide. There's also a $1 sale at a vintage shop coming up in a couple of weeks. If you bring a bag of donations, you get your first 10 items for free. I think that's absolutely wonderful and insane, but I also don't want to bring like just damaged items or really damaged items at all. So I have this maybe pile for things that I could start bringing for that donation sale so that I can get my 10 items free. And let me tell you, the place, I went to that store before, and it's so cute and they have so much cool stuff. So like anything that's $1 or free, literally, like it'll probably be worth it. I mean, it's probably your old donations, like this kind of stuff, but to get it for free or such low cost of goods, like I'm so there. Okay, my camera's about to die. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon. Subscribe, stay tuned, all that jazz. Bye.